A cylindrical tin with one end open has a diameter 140 millimeters and height 50 millimeters. So you have been asked to calculate the area of the base, the curved surface area, and then total surface area, as well as the volume of the tin. Now, this topic is more of a formula base, right? Is that okay? So formula based question. What I mean by formula based here is if you have been on this channel, we normally demonstrate how the things looks like before you can practice. But this is a marker. Is that okay? I'm using the marker against the board. So I'm using the marker to write on this board. So this is by definition, we call it what? A marker. Specifically a board marker. Now here's the thing. What are some of the tools that you can use to solve this problem? That is what you should be asking yourself. So in this case, you don't need to memorize all the formulas. My name is, assuming, maybe those of you who know my name, maybe you know my name. My name is what? Joseph. By nature, that is your name. And then that is the definition against your image. So when you say you should calculate the area of the base, what is the meaning behind that? What is the definition against that? Something that has been already been proved to be true. Yours is just use it and then apply it. Is that okay? Now let's see the definition of what? Area of the base, area of the cylinder, area of the cylindrical tin shape. Right? So you can assume that to be a rounded water bottle. Is that okay? So what is the base? What does it mean to find the area of that base? Now the question further says that we should take a pi to be 22 on 7. Now, where are we going to apply this? So the area of the base here, that is something you have to know before you can proceed. Is that okay? That is going to be 2 pi r squared. This is by definition what we are calling this guy to be the area of this base, this particular cylinder, right? So you can just visualize that, as I said earlier on, something like this. This is not drawn to scale, so the thing has been open, one end open. So you see the base here, the down here looks like a cylinder. You see this is a cylinder, so it looks like what? A circle, right? So if you are calling this one a circle, then if this is a circle, it means that the area of the circle, that is going to be, that's it, 2 pi. So get corrected here. So there's going to be pi r squared. Alright, that is the area of this bit. So if this is a circle, the area of the circle here is what? Pi r squared. Is that okay? Alright, perfect. This is highly requested. That's why I'm solving this problem. So don't do that mistake, right? So this is pi r squared. So we already have our power to be 22. So people don't even know how to apply this definition. So you have pi r squared. I have something I normally call put me at where you see me. I have this power to be 22 on 7. So this r means that times the radius squared. Now, from the question, do you have a radius? We don't have a radius, but we have a diameter. So if you have a diameter, how do you get your radius here? So out of the diameter, you are going to get a radius. So we divide this diameter. If you don't know a diameter is from one end to the other, right? So passes through the center. So everything, and that is, according to the question, we are having 140 mm. So from here to here is going to be our radius, right? So from here, the center, to anywhere on the, from here to here is the radius. From here to here is the radius. So if I divide this one into 2, I'm going to have what? My radius. So I'm going to divide the diameter over 2. That is 140 divided by 2. Are you following? Alright, so that's going to be 70 mm. So now we have our radius here to be 70 mm. Do you get that? So let's substitute. You have 22 on 7 multiplied by 70 squared. What does that mean? It means that 70 times 70. Now, what is your answer in the comment section below? Okay, so if you manage to get it correct, that is fine. So according to my calculation, I'm having 15400 millimeter or squared millimeters, because this is area. The question is area. Have you seen area, right? So I'm having 15,400 millimeters squared. So that is going to be the base of this sort shape, right? So let's get to the second one. The second part is saying that we should find the curved surface area. Now, by the way, what is the meaning of this curved surface area? What does it stand for? That is what you should be asking. If you don't know this thing, you can never solve the problem. And then the only way you can know this thing is by practicing it, right? So here we are going to have 2 pi r h. This is what we are calling the curved surface area of what? A cylindrical thing or a cylinder. Don't memorize this thing, right? Just dive it into the practice. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. This particular topic is more of what? Practicing, solving, right? Try your hands on it. It's not a matter of memorizing. So as we already have, from the question, we have the height to be 50. Then we already know our height. That is the 70 from the previous example. And then we have a pi here. So we are free to go. So here we have 2 pi r h. We are just going to plug in, right? So we have a 2 multiplied by 22 on 7 times the r, which is 70, multiplied by the height here, that is a 50. A second, pause the video and then try your hands on this. If you don't know how to solve this, let me know in the comment section below, right? So you can cancel out, right? So this can cancel this one to be 1 0. Then you just multiply the top. Is that okay? If I multiply the top throughout, what I'm getting here, I'm having 22 millimeter or squared millimeters. So if you are getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section below. Is that okay? Because this multiplied by that's going to be a 500. And then this one multiplied by this, that's going to be 44. Right? So 44 times 500. So let me know your answer in the comment section below. Is that okay? Alright. And by the way, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. If you have any specific question, to just try and comment in the comment section below. Now, at this point, you should calculate the total surface area. Now, to calculate the total surface area here is that we already have the area of the base, which is the bottom one, and then the curved surface area, which is this. So we are going to combine these two to have the total. The word here is what? The total, the sum of all the surface area, the top and the down of the cylinder. Are you getting it? So it means that just this guy plus this one, 15,400 squared millimeters. So here we are going to have, can you solve? Just solve this one. Let's see. I have 0 0, that should be 4 7 and then 3. So you're having 37,400 to be our total surface area. I believe you are following. Alright, so the last one there, you are going to have the volume of the tin. What is the volume? You may think this question is very difficult to solve, but very, very simple if you know what to use and how to use it. Now, talking about the volume of a tin here is going to be, do you know that definition? Alright, so maybe you may get it. That is going to be pi r square h. This is what we call the volume of what? A cylindrical tin or a cylinder. This is very simple and straightforward. You already have your power. That's going to be 22 on 7. You multiply by the radius, that's 70 squared, or square 70, multiply by the height here, that is going to be 50. Now, let me know in the comment section below. This term that you are following, is that okay? So write your answer and the value for this volume of the tin here, the volume of the cylinder. Is that okay? So let me know that in the comment section below. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below for any assistance. We are ever ready to assist you depending on wherever you are. By the way, if you get some value from this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and then subscribe for more lessons like this.